can see behind me our new Rheinmetall Lynx KF41 next generation combat vehicle, which is fitted with our new Lance 2.0 turret, the next evolution of our Lance turret family. The Lynx KF41 is a highly adaptable vehicle in the 40 to 50 tonne weight class. And one of the key features is the open mechanical architectures. We talk a lot in the military vehicle world right now about open electrical and electronic architectures. We of course have a digital backbone and have those open architectures, but also on the mechanical side as well. And that gives the vehicle a unique capability to adapt both for warfighting operations today, but also into the future as threats change or our customers need to adapt the vehicle. And we'll show that unique capability tomorrow when we launch the command variant, and we'll reconfigure the vehicle behind me in only a matter of hours this evening, and then launch a new variant tomorrow to show that unique capability. The Lance turret that you can see fitted is shown with the new Wotan 35 electrically driven main gun, which features our Rheinmetall airburst capability and the full 35 by 228mm ammunition family. The turret also is fitted with our coaxial electrically driven machine gun, which can fire continuously because of its three barrel configuration. And then lastly, I guess I'd say with the Lance, it's a mature evolution of the existing Lance turret where we're providing more protection to the critical mission systems on the turret. But all the good features of the Lance turret, such as the compartmentalised ammunition and the sensor systems, including full automatic target recognition and automatic target tracking, are still fitted to the turret, providing a unique capability of very short cycle times for engagement on the battlefield, which really gives us a disproportionate effect out of one vehicle. So we've got some very interested customers right now. We as a company are very interested in the Land 400 Phase 3 program in Australia, next generation combat vehicle in the US, and also the IFV program coming up in the Czech Republic. So thank you very much. So yesterday we launched the Lynx KF41 in an infantry fighting vehicle variant, and today we launched the command variant. It's a high roof variant of the same base platform, and this shows the unique ability of the Lynx family of vehicles to adapt to changing threats in a changing environment. The team stayed back after Eurosatory last night, and from 5:30 till around 9 o'clock, it took just under 3.5 hours to change the vehicle from that IFV configuration to the command variant that you see here right now. Not only is the mission kit adaptable, but also the survivability kit as well. So in that same reconfiguration, it's easily possible for our customers to change the survivability kit to adapt to new threats on the battlefield. The high roof variant you see has enormous internal volume, and invite all of our customers to come and hop inside the vehicle and see it. It's got a 1.8 metre internal roof height, and also forms the basis of other vehicle variants that require high internal volume, such as an ambulance or an electronic warfare vehicle.
I'm quite happy to present to you one of the latest products from the Rheinmetall Group, which is an unmanned ground vehicle with somewhat quite advanced autonomous function. It's called the Rheinmetall Mission Master, and you see it behind me. So this is a UGV, an unmanned ground vehicles, able to, that has an autonomy of about 72 hours, purely electric drive, and with a payload capacity of about 600 kilos. Very modular in design, but also having the ability to navigate obstacles from point A to point B on its own due to the amount of sensors that has been embedded into the systems with regards to 2D, 3D radars, GPS signal, inertial navigation systems. So technically the vehicle is given a task and not be driven by an operator, allowing to free up as many soldiers as possible. So very flexible, and the ability to mount different type of module, being surveillance module or any weaponized versions that the client will be willing or will need for his military task. So very, very flexible, but we kept the system very modular, allowing us to customize the systems for every single customer depending on their concept of operation, and not a concept of operation that would be imposed by a new technology. So we want the technology to serve the customer and not the opposite. So very proud that to now declare that platform ready for market, which is something quite new. And this is the first time actually that it comes out in the public views.
We are Arnold Defense. We've been building 70mm rocket launchers for approximately 70 years. Here at Eurosatory, we're showing the Fletcher ground-based rocket launcher that was introduced last year at DSEI. We have recently completed a test fire that was 100% successful. This design has been built with ground mobility in mind from the beginning. It's similar and uses proven technologies from our airframe systems that we've developed over the years, but this one has different technology inside specifically around the ground mobility platforms. We have customers in the pipeline that we are talking to. They are undisclosed customers at this point. We can't really discuss anything further than that.
Good afternoon, my name is Heiner Oehlen. I'm working for Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and I'm one of the project managers in the division Combat Systems. So I'm very pleased to introduce the vehicle to you. It's a world premiere. Actually, you see it right behind me. It is an amphibious vehicle that we 100% funded ourselves because we believe in this product. We were going for an amphibious vehicle because we think there's a market, as we did a market research in 2013. The vehicle, and this is the absolute new thing for us, combines very good driving capabilities and combines it with superb swimming and floating capabilities. And that is basically the unique selling proposition of this vehicle. We have a fully protected vehicle in a weight class which is very competitive. We're currently about 25 tons, which means 25 kilowatts per ton if you think of ratio. And with this vehicle we achieve approximately 70 kilometers per hour on land operation. We've been testing, we're starting initial testings, and the vehicle performed extremely well on the countryside in the fields. As I just said, we are really superb on land, and we are also very capable to float. We've got perfect streamlined tail, so the tail is really according to streamlined technologies, which is really shaped, or the shape is really optimized for the floating, which means we achieve up to currently 13.2 kilometers per hour, which is 7 knots, in the water with a very low flow resistance, and basically we are only limited to physics. That is not the market we want to go in. We are 100% currently for riverine operations. So we are looking for countries, for customers that have got countryside with a lot of rivers, with a lot of lakes, or rapidly changing landscapes, for example after monsoon rains or something like this. And this vehicle provides all-time, everywhere mobility on land and on water side. So I think we're currently doing a great job. As I said, initial testing were very prosperous, and I think the vehicle will have a future.